the new mail. What kind of bird has a large beak? The Encyclopedia of Animal.
Bird Kingdom.
Pigeon. This is a pigeon. It's always cooing. Where are the pigeons? Go and look for them. I found them! Pigeons live in flocks. The pigeon is going to deliver the letter. Postmark the letter. The letter should be delivered here. The pigeon delivers the letter along a fixed route. The letter should be delivered here. The letter should be delivered here. The pigeon delivers the letter along a fixed route. The letter should be delivered here. Put the letter in the mailbox of the same color. Good job! Postman pigeons have done a good job delivering letters. Let's feed them. And can carry on delivering letters. I had a great time playing with you, my friend. Pigeon!